What if hundreds of pages of research could become clear summaries, podcasts, study guides, mind maps, and even new business ideas in just minutes? That is the power of Google Notebook LM. Today, information is everywhere, but understanding it is the real challenge. Notebook LM helps you organize complex sources, uncover key insights, and turn knowledge into action. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's begin. NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and learning tool created by Google. Unlike a normal chatbot that answers using general knowledge, NotebookLM mainly works with the sources you provide. You can upload your own documents, add website links, connect Google Drive files, paste text, or include YouTube videos. NotebookLM then studies those sources and helps you understand the information inside them. This makes it useful for students, teachers, researchers, business owners, content creators, and anyone working with a large amount of information. The first step is to create a new notebook. Each notebook should focus on one main topic. For example, you could create a notebook for an exam, a business idea, a research project, a course, or a new product. Once the notebook is created, you can begin adding your sources. Notebook LM supports PDFs, Google Docs, websites, YouTube links, copied text, research reports, notes, and other useful materials. You can also use the Discover Sources feature to search for additional information related to your topic. The quality of your results depends on the quality of your sources. Reliable reports, academic research, expert videos, and real customer feedback will usually produce much stronger answers. After uploading your sources, you can begin asking questions. For example, you could ask Notebook LM to summarize the main ideas, identify important trends, compare competitors, find repeated problems, or explain difficult concepts in simple language. You might ask questions such as, what are the main subjects of this course? What SEO? How many types of SEO? What is black hat SEO? Define its purpose. Notebook LM answers using the selected sources and usually includes citations. These citations allow you to check where the information came from. This is one of the most valuable features of Notebook LM because it helps you verify the answers instead of simply trusting everything the AI says. You can also select or deselect individual sources. This allows you to control exactly which documents Notebook LM should use. Whenever Notebook LM gives you an important answer, save it as a note. This is useful because your notes can become part of your research process. You can save summaries, conclusions, ideas, questions, and important findings. You can also convert a note into a new source. For example, you could summarize 10 long documents, save that summary as a note, convert it into a source, and then ask Notebook LM to analyze the shorter version again. This creates a powerful research loop. You begin with a large amount of information, reduce it into the most important points, and then study those points more deeply. The Studio section contains some of Notebook LM's most impressive tools. One of the most popular features is Audio Overview. Audio Overview turns your sources into a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts. The hosts discuss the main ideas in a natural and engaging way. This can be extremely useful when you do not have time to read every document. You can listen while walking, exercising, driving, or doing other tasks. In interactive mode, you can even join the conversation and ask the AI host questions. They will pause, answer your question using the sources, and then continue the discussion. Notebook LM can also generate video overviews. These turn your research into visual explanations containing narration, text, graphics, and important statistics. Another useful feature is the mind map. The mind map organizes your topic into connected ideas and subtopics. It helps you understand how different pieces of information relate to one another. This is useful for studying, brainstorming, planning presentations, and understanding complex topics. Create reports. Notebook LM can also help you develop a new product idea. Imagine that you want to build an AI language learning application. You could upload education reports, competitor research, startup advice, app reviews, and discussions from real language learners. Notebook LM could then identify common problems such as limited speaking practice, fear of making mistakes, weak grammar explanations, and a lack of personalized feedback. You could ask it to recommend the most valuable features. Instead of building a complicated product with too many features, you could focus on a simple, minimum viable product. For example, the first version might include real-time conversation practice and immediate feedback on mistakes. NotebookLM could then help you create a product requirements document explaining the target user, the main problem, the user journey, the key features, and the technical requirements. You could transfer that document into an AI app building platform and create a working prototype, even if you are not an experienced programmer. NotebookLM is much more than a basic note-taking application. It is a powerful research, learning, and idea development tool. It can help you understand large amounts of information, study difficult topics, compare sources, create professional reports, plan products, and turn research into action. Whether you are a student, teacher, researcher, entrepreneur, content creator, or business professional, NotebookLM can help you work smarter and learn faster. The most important thing is to start with good sources, ask clear questions, and always review the final results carefully. Once you understand that workflow, NotebookLM can become one of the most useful tools in your daily work and learning.